Hi, I'm here for Mobile Geeks, and today I'm here at Gamescom 2018 in Cologne, where Honor announced the new Honor Play. Why Gamescom? Well, it's a gaming smartphone. A lot of gaming phones, in order to get the label gaming, give you a cool or absolutely dreadful gaming design and maybe a do not disturb mode renamed to gaming mode. But of course there are some other interesting exceptions with interesting features. The question here is, what makes the Honor Play different? Looking at the Honor Play, you can see it's a really nice looking phone, especially in this engraved edition, and it comes with multiple color variants. Spec wise, this phone is pretty much an Honor 10, which is actually a good thing. The biggest difference, however, is the bigger screen, the bigger battery, and the somewhat weaker camera. It's pretty much the same level as the Honor 9 Lite, which does perform quite well with good lighting and is relatively good with low light. But since you have the AI feature of the Honor 10 or P20 Pro here, you can expect the images to look better. You also have the handheld long exposure feature, which should improve your nighttime shots at least. However, the focus here is gaming, where the big screen, big battery, and of course the new turbo update, which is supposed to give the chipset up to 60% more gaming performance, play a big role here. But there is a feature which actually makes it really interesting as a gaming phone. The Honor Play wants to give you a 4D gaming experience by using the power of AI. The NPU, the neural processing unit, analyzes what it sees on the screen, like guns you're using, explosions, and depending on the action on the screen and how far it is away from you, it gives you some feedback with vibrations. Of course, the intensity of the vibrations is not always the same. As for audio, it can recognize things like, for example, projectiles and give you 3D sound so you can hear them fly past you. The speaker is pretty good and loud, but it's just mono, which is one of the drawbacks, but this feature is designed for headphones anyway, and the sound via headphones is really good. Currently, this AI feature only works with PUBG, with more games to come. And yes, with the Honor Play you can also play Fortnite, but this new feature doesn't work with it yet. There is one other thing that should make this phone quite attractive for a lot of people, but I can't talk about it yet until the big launch at IFA. So if you're looking for a new phone, maybe just wait a little bit and keep this one in mind as an alternative, even if you don't care about the gaming features. That was it for this video. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, otherwise the dislike button is right next to it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Umit for Mobile Geeks.